Three-dimensional figures. When we look at something empty, it has space in it. We can keep anything in that space. A park has space for us to play. Now, let us learn about solids. An object which has shape and size are called solids. Three-dimensional figures are also called solids. Solid occupies a fixed amount of space. Solid occurs in different shapes. Now let us learn about faces, edges and vertex of three-dimensional figures. Each side of a solid has surface called faces. The figure shows the face of a solid figure. Two faces meet a line segment is called edge. The figure shows the edge of a solid figure. Three edges meet at a point called vertex. The figure shows the vertex of a solid figure. Let us learn some types of three-dimensional shapes. First is cube. A cube is a three-dimensional figure shape whose edges are of equal length. It has 6 faces, all of which are squares of same sizes. Each face has 4 edges and face at 4 vertices. Examples of cube are ice cube, sugar cube, and dice. Second is cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces. Each face has 4 edges and 4 vertices. All the 6 faces are not of same size. Only opposite faces are equal. Examples of cuboid are bricks, almirah, and matchbox. Third is cylinder. A cylinder is like a round pipe. It has 2 flat or plain faces which are circular regions, and it has 1 curved face. It has 2 edges and no corners. Examples of cylinder are test tube, gas cylinder, measuring jar, etc. Next is cone. A cone has a circular base which is connected by a curved surface to its vertex. An object such as an ice cream, a conical sheet, a conical vessel, etc. Next is sphere. A round solid figure or its surface with every point on its surface equidistant from its center. It has curved surface. It has no vertex and no edge. An object which is in the shape of the ball. 6 is triangular prism. It has 5 faces, 5 corners, vertices, and 8 edges. 7th is pyramid. It has 5 faces, 5 corners, vertices, and 8 edges.